Hello students, welcome to CBB tutorial. Our channel is CBB tutorial. Some basic concept of chemistry, video 3. We have started the video 1 and 2 early that also finished that are introduced the chemistry and matter. Okay, now we are seeing measurement of properties. There are different units and properties we have to measure. Okay, many properties of matter are quantitative in nature. When you measure something, you are comparing it with some standards. The standards which have to measure. Okay, the standard quantity is reproducible. What is the standard quantity? Is always reproducible and unchanging. We cannot change that the standard. Okay, there are two properties of standards. The standards are chosen arbitrarily with some universally accepted criteria. And what is unit? The unit is the arbitrarily decided and universally accepted standards are called units. Units. This is arbitrarily decided and universally accepted. All countries have accepted these units of standards. Okay. There are several systems in which units are expressed, such as CGS, that is centimeter for length, gram for mass, and second for time. What? Centimeter for length, gram for mass, second for time. We have measured the centimeter in length. Okay, for mass gram, for time second. Another type FPS, foot pound second, and MKS, meter kilogram second. Meter is for length, kilogram is for mass, second is for time. These systems etc. Also there is SI unit. This is the fourth type of system. In 1960, the General Conference of Weights and Measure proposed revised metric system called International System of Units, that is SI unit. This is later based on a common standard system. The International System of Units SI units was established. International System of Units. Okay, the abbreviation is SI. The International System of Units. This is very important for MCQs, and they can ask the long form of SI unit, International System of Units, or the abbreviation of International System of Units. We have to say that SI units. The SI systems has 7 base units as listed in table. Okay, this is the table of fundamental units. The SI system has two types units, fundamental units and derived units. Fundamental units are those type they do not depend on any other quantity like length, mass, time, electric current, thermodynamic, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Okay, but derived units are dependent on fundamental units. They are called as derived units. Which quantity dependent on fundamental units, that is called derived units, like acceleration, velocity. These are all dependent on fundamental quantity. Okay, the length symbol is L, here mass M, time T, electric current I, temperature T, amount of substance small n, luminous intensity capital I is to base V. Okay, name of SI units. Length is a physical quantity. Its name in SI unit. What are unit of length? Meter, that M, kilogram, kg, time second, yes, electric current ampere, capital A. Okay, this is a unit. Meter is unit, kilogram is unit, second is unit, ampere is unit, Kelvin unit, mole short form. Okay, candela, CD. This is a all are unit. We have to see some important definitions. Okay, mass and unit. Mass of substance is amount of matter present in while weight is the force exerted by gravity on object. This is the definition of mass. Also the weight is a dependent of mass. Okay, mass of substance is the amount of matter which matter occupies mass. Okay, present in while weight is a force exerted by gravity on any object. Okay, mass of substance is the amount of matter present in it, and weight is the force exerted by gravity on an object. This is the definition of mass, and this is the definition of weight. The mass of substance is constant, whereas its weight may vary from one place to another due to change in gravity. The mass can change in different parts due to change in gravity. If one place have a different gravity and another place have different gravity, so it can changeable, it can convertible. The SI unit of mass is kg, that is kilogram. Okay, the SI derived unit derived from SI base units of weight is Newton. The Newton is also the different units which is used for also weight, that is derived, that is dependent on this mass. Okay, this mass means kilogram. Now volume, it is the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object. It does not depend on shape. Volume does not depend on shape. For measurement of volume of liquid and gases, a common unit liter, L, which is not an SI unit, is used. Okay, it is not an SI unit, but it can be used for the liter for all common, so it not be based in SI. Okay, for liquid liter, gaseous liter. Okay, 1 liter is equal to 1 dm cube is equal to 1000 ml is equal to 1 cm cube into 100 cm cube into 100 cm cube is equal to 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter of volume. SI unit of volume is expressed as meter cube or m raised to cube, m raised to 3, that is meter cube. It is a unit of 1 liter. 1 liter unit is meter cube. Okay, now density of substance is its mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume is the definition of density. It is determined in the laboratory by measuring both mass and the volume of sample. By both mass and volume it can be determined. The density is calculated by dividing mass by volume. Mass divided by volume. It is characteristics property of a substance. This is the property of any substance which have to measure in density. Okay, that has volume and mass. SI unit of density is equal to SI unit of mass upon SI unit of volume. That is what is the SI unit of mass? That is kg, and volume m raised to cube 3, that is kg meter raised to minus 3. CGS unit is gram per ml or gram ml raised to minus 1 or gram centimeter raised to minus 3. Okay, this is a CGS unit and this is SI unit. CGS means here we used centimeter, gram and second, but in SI unit we have to use MKS. Temperature is a measure of hotness or coldness of an object. There are 3 common scales to measure temperature. Temperature is a measure of the hotness or coldness of any object. We have to measure hotness or coldness, that is temperature. We have to measure at 3 types: in degree Celsius, in degree Fahrenheit, in degree, that no degree, only Kelvin. Here K is the SI unit of temperature. Okay, generally the thermometer with Celsius scale are calibrated from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius, where these two temperatures are respectively the freezing point and the boiling point of water at atmospheric pressure. These are represented on Fahrenheit scale as 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. We have to see the one diagram here. Okay, this is the in Kelvin, 0 to 373.15 degrees Celsius. In this, okay, in this water freezes at sea level 273.15 degrees Celsius the Kelvin and 0 degrees Celsius 32 degree Fahrenheit. Water freezes at sea level. This is absolute zero. All molecular motion stops. Here no motion of molecules. Okay, Body temperature, that is 37 degrees Celsius, 96.6 degree Fahrenheit, 310 Kelvin. Water boils at sea level, that is 210 Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius, 373.15 Kelvin. Okay, the temperature on two scales are related to each other by following relationships. Here very important two formulas which we convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius, or Celsius to Kelvin, Kelvin to Celsius. Okay, degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 degrees Celsius plus 32. The Kelvin scale is related to Celsius scale as follows. Okay, Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273.15. That if we have take here 32 degree Fahrenheit, we have taken here 32 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 upon 5 degrees Celsius plus 32 we have to take here, so the answer comes 0 degree Celsius. Here the Kelvin we have taken here 273.15 degree Kelvin. So what is the degree Celsius when 273.15 Kelvin? Okay, we have to take here 273.15 minus 273.15 is equal to degree Celsius, that is 0 degrees Celsius. We have given only Kelvin, the answer taken in degree Celsius. Okay, if they ask the Kelvin, you have to find degree Celsius. If they ask degree Celsius, you have to find Kelvin. This is very important two formulas for your exams or any MCQs. So please like, subscribe our channel CBB tutorial friends. Thanks for watching